Today we are going to be comparing inhaled and exhaled air. We are using the following equipment: 2 conical flasks, bromomethyl blue, a disposable straw and rubber tubing. For step 1, we're going to add equal amounts of water to the 2 conical flasks. We added approximately 200 ml to each flask. For step 2, we added bromomethyl blue indicator to each flask. Enough bromomethyl blue was added to each flask to ensure a nice blue colour could be seen in each flask. Once fully added, the conical flasks were gently swirled to mix the colour around. Next we added the rubber tubing. You will notice that the flask on the left has the rubber tubing connected to a clear hose that sits above the water, while the flask on the right has rubber tubing connected to a blue hose that is submerged in the water. The straw then sits in the rubber tubing at the top for you to breathe through. The final step is to breathe in and out through the straw for a few minutes and observe what happens. The flask on the right bubbles when I am breathing out, and the flask on the left bubbles when I am breathing in. You will see a colour change has occurred in the flask on the right. Work through the results and the discussion to find out why.